day. Welcome to Awkward Moments with EmceeGoldfish.
EmceeGoldfish is what they call me.
Awkward Moments with EmceeGoldfish. We're gonna talk about termites. Termites in your butt. I'm just kidding. Have you guys ever sat on plastic furniture and then you farted and then it melted the plastic? It's all bad. I was that guy that grew up eating fish food. Yeah. I don't know why. That's why I turned into a fish. I'm just kidding. Disco ballin', disco ballin', yeah. I love sailboats. I think that the funniest noise I've ever heard is someone sneezing. I just don't understand it. Why is it achoo? Why can't it be I think that would be more appropriate.
Awkward Moments with EmceeGoldfish.
EmceeGoldfish is what they call me.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Brennan Dyson. I'm the creator and CEO of EmceeGoldfish. I hope you enjoyed that video. Our vision with EmceeGoldfish is to create humorous music and video content that's ridiculous and far-fetched. The goal is to have bizarre characters, original slogans, and logos implemented on t-shirts, like these presented here. In selling the merchandise, a percentage of the profits will be donated to help fund several non-profit organizations, as in Church Neighbor and Risen Homeless Ministries. There will be a link at the bottom where you can purchase any of the merchandise in the description. Also, if you're interested in helping support this vision and help it get off the ground, there will be a link to a GoFundMe in the description as well. Your support will be greatly appreciated as you become a part of the cycle of joy and restoration to the community. Thank you for watching, and remember, embrace your awkwardness.
Pop-Tarts and ketchup. Pop-Tarts and ketchup challenge begins. Stop for a second and get some breakfast. Pop-Tarts and ketchup, right?